in my endless effort to find more and more useless things to show you, I thought I'd, stick with something I know. So I picked up this. It is a Black Diamond El Cheapo, I don't even know where, Black Diamond Mid-States Distillery, manufactured in China, Fabrico, China. So we will break the little things off here. We call it zip ties. It's a Black Diamond CRV. It's got some little knurls right here. Let me turn this light off so you can see better. Yeah, it's got some knurling on there. Well, not really knurling, X pattern. It says Black Diamond. They're under 20 bucks. They look very, very similar to vice grips. 2 pins here, 1 pin here, 1 pin there. And if they're made in China, they're probably made by the new Chinese vice grip company. Right out of the gate, the jaws don't line up at all. They're off. I mean, sometimes they're off a bit, but these ones are, you can slide them back over, but even then when you feel here, they're kind of not lined up. They do have a nice grip to it. These ones, the old ones, are a bit smooth. The Milwaukee have more of that, like, I don't know, like crispy kind of feeling. They're actually made pretty well. They're cheaper than vice grips too. I think they were about $15, and not bad actually. I don't know if I like this light on or off. So yeah, they got a really nice grip on them. Grip on. There's another brand I like. See, and as usual, you lock them into a piece of metal. They're nice and tight, and it's just, see, these are hard to get off. But overall, I would say construction-wise, they're made pretty well. Someone in China totally ripped off, what do you call it? Vice grip brand, which doesn't surprise me one bit. So anyway, those are cheap Black Diamond. I'll put them. I'll probably just use them for welding and burn up the shitty ones. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Black Diamond. Woo! Enjoy.